Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase an iPhone without a password. We'll cover 3 primary methods to help you regain control of your device. First, we'll look at using Apple's built-in Find My service, which is incredibly useful for remote erasing. Next, we'll dive into the recovery mode process, requiring a computer and a USB cable. Finally, we'll briefly touch upon third-party software options, discussing their potential benefits and risks. Remember, backing up your data is crucial before any erase. The Find My service is a fantastic way to erase your iPhone remotely, especially if it's lost or stolen. Simply log into iCloud.com on any web browser or use the Find My app on another Apple device. Select your iPhone from the list and then choose the Erase iPhone option. Your device needs an active internet connection for this to work, ensuring a complete wipe of all data. This method is 100% effective when the conditions are met. If Find My isn't an option, recovery mode is your next best bet. This method requires a computer with iTunes or Finder installed and a USB cable. First, you'll need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. The exact steps vary slightly depending on your iPhone model. Once in recovery mode, connect it to your computer. iTunes or Finder will then prompt you to restore or update your device. Choose Restore to erase everything and reinstall the operating system. While official Apple methods are always recommended, you might encounter third-party software claiming to erase your iPhone without a password. These tools often promise a quick fix, but it's vital to proceed with extreme caution. Always research any software thoroughly, checking reviews and ensuring its legitimacy before downloading. Some may require a small fee or subscription. For maximum security and reliability, sticking to Apple's built-in solutions is generally the safest and most straightforward approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.